Good evening, welcome to the Professor Maima Show. Hope you are doing well wherever watching me from around the world. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. So today I want to talk about the higher education sector in Kenya, Kenyan universities, more so lecturers. So I want to talk about the pay. Kenyan university lecturers low pay. In fact, you can say Kenyan lecturers low pay. Yes, Kenyan lecturers low pay. So I was reading somewhere, me, I am a person who likes to deal with the research statistics. So I compared the pay, universities in America and Kenya. American universities are the top notch. Back in the day, the young Gen Zs, when you read your history, higher education started from, I think from Rome, or the Roman Empire. I think from Greece. Greece is the one who started these things of higher education. And then Britain took over with very top universities like Oxford, Cambridge. Those are very old universities. And then America has taken over with the Harvard University, I don't know, Princeton, those big universities in America. University of I don't know, California. You have this also another one I wanted to go. There are these big universities. I don't know, in those states. There's some very big universities. Like those states of Chicago. There's always Pennsylvania something. There's a university I always wanted to go to, Pennsylvania State University. So America, each state has its own university, and they do well. So I wanted to compare the average salary of an American professor and a Kenyan professor. That's what I'm talking about. Kenyan lecturers low pay. So the average pay or salary of an American university per month is $10,000. I saw something like $10,000, yes, on Google, and then Kenya is something to do $2,500. $10,000 in America for a university professor, and $2,500 for a professor in a Kenyan university. So 10,000, 2,500. You can see the big difference. So 10,000 is like 1 million Kenya shillings here, give or take according to the exchange rate. $2,500 is like what, to 50,000 Kenya shillings, something like that. To 50,000 Kenya shillings compared to a million. So you can see the big disparity. Now, there's this argument. People argue America is a superpower. The economy is times 100 of the Kenyan economy. Let's take that, isn't it? But now we should realize that Kenya, the universities are very few. We are like, I don't know, nearly around 70. America has thousands of universities, thousands. State universities. The people even open universities in their living rooms, virtual ones, small ones. Now, I was wondering, why is it that now Kenyan universities people are paid low? It's because the argument can be America has a big economy, they do big research and all that, isn't it? We give that. But also on the other side, Kenya has a good economy in terms of Africa. Our universities are not very many. And if our universities will embrace research, government giving them money for research, then our professors will earn big money, isn't it? Now, someone had written an article on how Kenyan universities, the lecturers get low pay, while the universities get a lot of money from the government, from research, from I don't know what, but most of it is not utilized well. So I've heard stories of corruption in some universities, public, and all that, isn't it? So now someone was asking, how can Kenyan professors earn good money? First of all, the way the universities are set up in Kenya is all wrong. They need now to sit down and say, we're going to reassess courses offered by university. And then they need to divide the universities. A university that is offering medicine is just medicine and science. If you are doing arts, it's just arts. You don't mix. If it's business, just business. Hmm? So that will mean universities will have to just focus on certain. If it's arts, arts, humanities. If it's science, you are doing medicine, you will do medicine. That will mean we'll go back to the way it used to be back in the day, where only a few universities can teach medicine, can teach sciences. If you're doing humanities, you just be humanities. You don't mix. They need to pass that law. Now, once that is done, universities now will get students even from outside because they know that universities are specialized. They have all the facilities, engineering, medicine in one university. Maybe they can even be not more than 10 offering those courses. In fact, yeah, not more than 10 offering medicine and engineering, full stop. And then humanities and social sciences can be the rest, isn't it? Ah. Then another thing, in a radius of maybe, let's say in a one location, there should not be more than even 3 universities. You find in a small area, you have 10 universities going for the same customers, isn't it? Now, if that is done, you divide, you categorize the universities, you reduce the numbers in a particular location, then the universities also go virtual. They embrace virtual teaching. Also, the ones who are doing humanities and social sciences. Humanities and social sciences. Hmm? Or they like saying humanities, or the ones who are teaching arts. Let's put it that way. Sciences and engineering, no virtual. People have to be on campus. Those who are dealing with arts, they can offer virtual, let's say for diploma certificate, to get more money. Like there's this university in South Africa called UNISA. On campus, it has 40,000 students population. Across Africa, it has over 500,000. The ones who learn virtually. Just Google, you see UNISA. Student population, over 500,000. Imagine. So those are billions. In fact, I dare say, if that is done, Kenya universities should be a big foreign exchange earner for the Kenyan government. So that will mean professors, their salaries will match the ones in developed countries like America, $10,000, $1,000,000 per month. Maybe going up to the lecturer, maybe tutorial fellow starting with $5,000, 500,000. And that will also mean schools, teachers who teach even playgroup will start earning good money. Maybe starting from, I don't know what, starting from maybe $600 going up. That's 60,000 going up. 60,000 playgroup up to maybe university $1,000,000. Now there, teaching will earn its respect, and there will be good salaries for Kenyan lecturers. That's why I'm talking about Kenyan lecturers low pay. So that's just my ideas, isn't it? Categorize the universities, the ones which are offering medicine, engineering. They should not offer any other thing. Then categorize the ones which are offering arts, humanities, and social sciences. They should offer nothing else. No sciences for them. They're also free to do virtual classes, diploma certificate level, so that they get more money. Also, government should give a lot of money for research, so that, look at Elon Musk. Elon Musk was born in South Africa, and he started PayPal when online things started. It earned him money. So you have an Elon Musk in Kenya. Maybe he has started a startup online, it's doing well. But now if government starts investing in sciences, in research, so that Kenya can be a manufacturing hub, this Elon Musk in Kenya will come up. We'll say have an idea for something that can be mechanized. The government gives him funding, billions of shillings. That will mean that Kenya will have an Elon Musk. Like what's happening in America. Kenya will have an Elon Musk. We'll have this person of Zuckerberg of Facebook. We'll have a potential Bill Gates. You see, that's why I'm talking about Kenyan lecturers low pay. Because we have not thought, we're not applying our brains. The way the universities are set up in Kenya is all wrong. When Moi was in power, it was somehow better, because there were few. Now, because there are too many, we now need to pass a law. We say universities that offer medicine and engineering cannot offer any other course. So we'll have a few universities offering those, and they should have all the facilities, whether it's laboratories, whether it's a hospital training, hospital for the students, also engineering. What are they manufacturing? An engineering university should be attached to an industry, like the way more universities used to do with, I don't know, pan paper or something like that, or Rivertex. I think it was more with the Rivertex. Egerton with the, I don't know, with this manufacturing agricultural companies, on and on, isn't it? So that's what we're talking about. Kenya University Law Pay categorize the universities, do embrace virtual learning for people who are teaching arts, humanities, social sciences, for, let's say, these short courses, degrees, academic writing, agro-business. You charge small money, you can have a big population. That will ensure that now professors earn the $10,000 I'm talking about, like Harvard and it's called what? Princeton, all those big universities, Yale, those big Ivy League. You can have our own Ivy League here in Kenya, like University of Nairobi. If you just limit to teaching engineering and medicine to become an Ivy League, the same with maybe Kenyatta University, teaching teachers, teaching people who graduate to be teachers, Egerton, agriculture, engineering. So that's big thinking that we don't have here in Kenya. Someone wants to start a university to earn money, and then after they realize the students are not there. And the ones who are coming, they want to be sponsored by the government. So you have a lot of fees default, universities can't pay, and then lecturers go on strike the way it's now. We're having a very big strike by lecturers. To be added some small money, 10,000, 5,000, which doesn't change much. So that's what I'm saying. Kenya lecturers low pay needs to change with those ideas I've given. Yes. So this is the Professor Maima show. I hope you have enjoyed what I've talked about on this channel. We need to change the way our universities are run. They should not be run like kiosks. They should be run by professional managers. If someone is an academician, is a VC, vice chancellor, he should go for management training. They should go to these management universities or colleges to teach them management. They should go and do some certificate in management. 101. Yes. So this is the Professor Maima show. I want to pray for you who's watching me, that you have a long life and that you become rich and prosperous, not only you, your children, grandchildren, and all your generations, and that all your dreams become reality, that good job reality, that first plot reality, that first house reality, that passport to travel outside Kenya reality, that pay increment reality, that big commercial plot reality, and that ranch reality, and that meeting a good man or woman to start a family and get many children reality, and just becoming rich reality. Also pray for myself that I get big money to build a technological university that can produce a product that can be used here in Kenya, Africa, and worldwide, train future entrepreneurs, to provide jobs for these young Gen Zs, and to earn me, Professor Maima, big money, and the Kenyan government big money. Those are my prayers. Amen. So you can support our channel through the mobile M-Pesa down there on +254 769 729 327. I repeat again, mobile M-Pesa +254 769 729 327. And as I always say, Gwere Konana Gwere.